how to get YouTube on the Nintendo Switch. So right here, all you want to do is click on the Nintendo eShop at the bottom. So click on it and choose the user which is gonna get YouTube. So once the Nintendo eShop loads, I'm just gonna give it some time. We'll use the search bar here. So click on search, enter keyword, and you wanna type YouTube. So click on YouTube like so, and you want to search for it. Now this is going to show you YouTube. At the top you want to click on the application itself, as you can see, and you will just download it from this screen. So if I have the virtual e-card here, I can click on it, but this is basically just gonna get or make you have YouTube on the Nintendo Switch. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.